Hey guys, Ryan here. I am back for part 2 tutorial for Dynamite by Nova Jones. This is a fun one, so let's get straight into it. The previous section we ended with 1, 2, 3. So we're going to continue on from there. We're going to go down, we're going to stretch all the way up. So it says you gotta strive to be more. When she says more, we're going to do like an explosion with our hands. We're going to go boom, just like that. And we end it here. Nice and easy. So we do that one more time. You gotta strive to be more. And then we point in. Then we put our hands like that. So we face our palms up to the sky. Then we're gonna step out this way. We're gonna step. And we're gonna step again. Step. We're gonna do 2 more steps, but this time we're gonna put our hands behind our back. And we're gonna go step a little bit lower and step a little bit lower. So we're going to do that one more time from the top, nice and easy. Here we go. So remember, we're starting down from the previous section. We end with 1, 2, 3. So we're going to stretch all the way up, really big stretch, and look like an explosion, just open up. Then we're going to point in, put our palms to the sky, and we're going to step and step. 2 more steps with our hands behind our back, and you can go a little bit lower, step and step. And I think this is my favorite move in the whole dance. So this is a good one. We're going to bring one foot in front of the other, and we're going to turn all the way around to the front. But what I like to do is, if you're feeling a little bit confident, you can do a bit of a jump and turn all the way around. And to end this section, I need you to do one pose. So my pose is this, but you can also do this or whatever pose you want to do. So one more time from the top. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Stretch all the way up. Strive to be more. You're going to point in, hands up. We're going to step, 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 jump and turn, all the way around, and pose. There we go, guys. That is part 2. So we're going to do the dance now. Hope you enjoyed it.
You gotta strive to be more. And then you'll see a change when you believe you